Good morning. My name is Rishikesh, and today's topic is leadership. As our channel is about defense aspirant, I took a different topic for lecturing, that is leadership. So I will be explaining you in a short time what is leadership, and I will give giving my views also, and I will explain in for what exactly is leadership, where and all we learn and inculcate leadership qualities, and how the leaders take the challenges and accept their failures and move on and come with a success in their life, and how the leaders, some leaders, misuse their leadership skills and also have caused harm to their respective organization or countries. So first of all, what is leadership? Leadership is an innate quality of a person from which he can lead a group of persons or an organization, or who admires or who uh, or controls a particular organization how to work and what to do. For example, if we see in the world history and Indian history, there are so many geographical incidents that happened, which from which leaders came out, and there were the leaders who were inspired to give their life and also to give their freedom for their nation. So, for example, our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji and also Subhash Chandra Bose, who not only made the British criticized the British for their rule, but also came up with the solutions for the people for the people struggling in the life during the British rule, and also uh, gave the freedom for us. So these qualities, these cannot be done by the normal persons who do not have leadership qualities. And I genuinely believe that leadership qualities, most of the people believe that leadership qualities are uh, inculcated in the children during their childhood days, like in schools, in by their parents, when they teach the basic things, how to do a certain things, how to speak, how to uh, respect, how to take responsibilities. These are all learnt in the earlier ages, as we are in the schools, as we play in the grounds, as we are in the group. We learn this from the others, from the peers influence, or from the teachers influence, or from the peers also come in, teachers also come in peers. So from peers influence we learn most of the things. And from these, after this, there is a proverb that when a child is made to learn in their earlier ages for a particular goal or something, they will not depart to other things. It means that when they learn a particular thing in their childhood, they will never forget that, and they believe that that is only the right thing. For example, if we take, as I speak to about patriotism, when the terrorists train the other persons to become terrorists, they do not train at the age of 25 or 30, because that time the brain is completely knowing that what is right, what is wrong. So they are training the people who are very small children. So children can be molded into anything. They can be molded into a terrorist or maybe a leader at the smaller ages. And most of all, NDA joining students are 18 to 19 years. So this what age period is very uh, what you say is vulnerable and also moldable, I believe. So what does the leader do? So he gains the attention of the masses, and also he solves the problems very quickly, like this, so normal people cannot do. I believe there are some qualities which should be there in the person to train him as a leader. That is courage. First of all, courage should be there, sense of responsibility should be there, initiative should be there, and also some knowledge about what he is doing or what he has learned, that should be there. So these are the qualities. Apart from this also is there, but these are very important qualities: willpower, courage, initiative, a sense of responsibility, and knowledge of something that he is doing. So this, it is very important. And so leaders, when the problem comes, how they see the problems as it is, and they don't turn the problem and look it around that. Just they see the problem as it is, and they take that problem as it is their problem. even if they, for example, if a leader, if a politician is there, he politicians also, in politicians also some leaders are there. So what happens when the politician or other people see the problems, like any municipality problem or any water problem, then they see the problem as their own problem, then only it can be solved. Otherwise you cannot solve any other problem, and until and unless you feel that it is their problem. Okay, I feel that like that. And secondly, the leaders do not give damn to any uh, wrong perspectives or wrong things, such as they know what to do and when to do and how to do. This is very important. How to do, when to do and what to do, everybody knows, but they procrastinate things because they don't know how to do, and they don't have the motivation is also very important to do something. And as a leader, you should have the motivation to do something for the people. Unless if at all, if we don't have the motivation, he cannot do anything for the people. And if we do certain things to the people, and people would admire him, people would be inspired from him, and try to become like them. Small children, if they see the persons, if somebody listens the persons, somebody listens army personnel talks, they will try to become like them. They will try to admire them, and uh, work in a certain way that they feel that they also should be working like this. So it is a very chain like process. If you are a leader, if you are doing something good for the people, then they will also get inspired, and they will also want, they also want to become, will be wanting to become like you, like a leader. So now I will take some few examples from the past, that as that the leaders have made their qualities, they taken their qualities in the wrong direction, and also destroyed their complete organization or the nation. And by saying that, also you could have got some name in mind, that is Adolf Hitler, who had a very good leadership quality. I admire him because of his leadership qualities, but what happened is, because of his greed to power and greed to over rule the people, what happened is he misused his leadership qualities, and as a result his whole nation suffered after the world war. So this all happened. So this is very important. Leadership qualities you will be having in the almost people, but what happens is, when the leadership qualities are there, you should understand that this is a very high responsibility given to you. If you are acting in a wrong way, then you will get you will not only spoil yourself, but also spoil your whole country or whole organization's future. So it is very important that you should be very careful about the responsibilities given to you as a leader, and also fulfill it on time to time. So finally, I want to say, Lenin said, Lenin, you must be knowing, a Russian leader, who said, a leader is the one who flows in the fountain, or who flows in the fountains of the people. It doesn't. It means that a leader is the one who lives with the people, rather than lives with the people and solve the problems of the people, rather than living outside and seeing like politicians does. So I don't want to become controversial about politics. So that's it. And uh, I hope you have understand the basics of the leadership. And this lecture, I also enjoyed so much telling about the leadership, as I'm also defense expert. So thank you. If you have liked this video, please, if you have really found useful of this video, please like it, and do subscribe for the more videos like this. Thank you.